Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix the verification code not received on Microsoft account. So if you're not getting the verification code by email or phone number while signing into your Microsoft account, just follow these simple fixes. First, you need to check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly and then try requesting the code again. After that, make sure your phone number or email address is entered correctly. If there's a mistake, correct it and request a new verification code. If the issue still continues, try using another verification method. Select a different email address or phone number if that option is available on your Microsoft account. Lastly, restart your computer and then try signing in again. To restart your computer, you need to click on the start button, then select power and then tap on the restart button. This can refresh the system and fix temporary sign-in problems. So those are some easy ways to fix Microsoft verification code not received on Windows. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.